Hey guys, welcome to PCF. Okay, in this session, okay, in this video, we are going to discuss about dates in period in time intelligence function. Okay, so in time intelligence function, we have a dates in period. Okay, so what is that dates in period? How it behaves? Okay, I will give very simple example so that everyone can understand. Okay, for that I have taken very sample data case. Okay, very so each month, so I have entered. You can enter. Okay, first month I have entered 5 dates. Okay, so first month I have entered 5 dates and then some sales amount, and then second month I have entered 6 days some sales amount, and third month so on. So I have entered like 6 months I have entered for the testing purpose case. Okay, how this will work. Okay, how this will work. So that for that reason, so okay, I'm taking this copy. Okay, I'm just taking the copy and I'm entering into the Power BI. So just go with the enter data and paste it here. And I'm going with the table name like as a test table name. So test table name and then click load. Click load. So now the data is loading. So like how see how it will work and all. So we'll go with the syntax, how the dates in period will be. So dates in period, open bracket, date, comma, start date, comma, number of intervals, comma, interval. Okay, interval. This is the syntax case. Okay, this is the syntax. So here we need to provide the date, and then start date means from where you want to so give the range like so, and so from that start date, so like what are the intervals, like it may be -1, -2, -3, so anything. Okay, the number whatever you provide. Okay, -1, -2, or -3 or -4, anything. Okay, so that is the number of intervals. And then intervals means like we have intervals like year and quarter and month we have, and then day we have. So whatever the things. Okay, so whatever you specify and then the number you specify, the start date will go to that. It will minus from the start date will from the start date will it will minus like if you specify suppose month, so it will minus 4 months actually from the start date. Okay, whatever the date you are given. So if you provide as an interval as a month and then -4, so it will take you to the -4 months. And then if you do some average sales or you know uh, sum of sales amount, then it will give that, it will take you to there. And then from from date to from max date to, and then -4 months it will take, and then um, it will show. So okay, let me go here and then we'll see practically. So what is that? Okay, so we have data is loaded. Now we have a date and then amount. So let's go with the date hierarchy, just normal date. Okay, so whatever the table. Okay, so we have copied the same data is a year. So that came here. So now what we are trying to say, what we are trying to understand, what is dates in period. Okay, so just go with the new measure. I have clicked on new measure, and then I want to go with the last 3 months amount. Okay, 3 months amount, last 3 months amount. Okay, 3 months amount. Okay, you can specify like that, and then so calculate sum of sales amount, uh, comma. Let's close this bracket, comma, and then you can use your function. Okay, then you can shift enter. It will move to the next line. So we can use the dates in period. Okay, dates in period. So this is the syntax here. Okay, just now I have written right. So this is the syntax there. Okay, so and return a date from the given period. Okay, whatever the period you have given, so the dates will be moved to the given period. Okay, so here date means okay, so the date whatever the test date we have, so it will go with the date, and then comma, sorry, comma, um, comma. So dates in period is not completed, so we have to provide the start date. So for start date, what I'm giving, okay, so you can go with the max date. Okay, from max date, I want to go with the last 3 months. Okay, so you can use max or latest, anything is fine. So you can you can use max or latest. So I'm using max date. Okay. So table date. So just table date. Okay, I'm going with the max table date and see. So sorry guys. Okay, it's entering automatically. So max table is closed and then comma. So number of intervals, I want to go with the -3 months. Okay. So what is the amount for -3 months? Okay. And then, so dates in period bracket is closed. And then, so you can go with the calculate bracket closed. So yeah, this is, and then done. Okay. Click enter. So now we'll see the, this last 3 months card amount, and then we'll test, okay, whether it is working properly or not. Okay. So this is the last 3 months amount from the last date. Okay, from the last 3 months amount. So from the max date. Okay, sorry, I have provided only 1 month. Okay, sorry for that. So I'm going with the 3 months. Okay, so here I have mentioned the 3 months. So it is 7,200. So we will check in Excel, okay, whether it is giving the proper results or not. Okay, let me go here. So max date means this is the max date in given dates case. Okay, in given dates. So 6/4 0 to sorry 2022 is the max date. From there it is going with the, so it's doing the sum for the last 3 months. Okay, so this is the first month, and this is the second month, and fourth month. Okay, this is the this one. Okay, so if you take the sum, okay, if you take the sum of this one, so see here, so I have whichever I have selected, so this is the 7,200. So from the starting date, so I have given the max date. Max date means, okay, it's going with the last date of that, latest date of that dates, given dates, and then it doing the sum from there to last 3 months. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, just it's taking, just I'm doing the sum guys. Okay, just you can take so from, okay, so sixth month, fifth month, and fourth month. Fifth till fourth month you have to go, and then you have to do sum. So here it is showing sum 7,200. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, that's that way it will work. Okay, so whatever the period you will provide, so like if you provide like 4 months, it will give the 4 months amount. Okay, it will, so just click enter, so it will give the 4 months. 4 months amount is 9,600. Okay, let me go here in Excel, you can check that. Okay, 4 months also. Okay, let me go here. So this is the April month, and then you have to go with the May month also. Sorry, May. So March. So till here. Okay, how much amount it is? 9,600. See, it is showing 9,600. So you can go here and then see 9,600. Same it's getting. Okay, so that is the dating period. Even you can go with the average also. Okay, suppose average, I want only 2 months average. Okay, so 2 months average. So here I will go with the average. Okay, so from the latest date to average. Average means what? You know the formula, right? Average formula. So like how average formula will work. So I will explain it, guys. Okay, if you don't know what is average, average formula, how average formula will work, I will explain. Okay, not a problem. Just a minute. What happened? So average, calculate, open bracket, average amount, comma. So comma is missing. So that is the reason. Okay, so let's enter. Okay, so average means total amount. Okay, so last 2 months. Okay, so from latest date to 2 months means here, from here. Okay, sum of this amount. Okay, sum of this amount by count. So sum of this amount means like so how much it is, auto sum. So this is the 5,000 amount, and then count how many transactions we have. 1 2 3 4. So like, so 5 and 6 7 8 9, right? Guys, okay, one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so 9. So this equal to this divided by 9. So that is the average. Okay, see, same average we are getting. Okay, so if you want to zoom it, I can zoom it, guys. Okay, so I can zoom it. So hope you are getting. So it's round figured. So if you want the same number, so let's zoom it. Okay, so here we are also getting the same number. See, so that way dates in period will work, guys. Okay, hope it makes sense. So even we can go with the dynamic also. So that we'll discuss in the next video. So in this video you understand what is basic about the dates in period. Okay, what is the basic understanding, like what is the behavior of the dates in period. Hope you like my video. Please share and subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, if you have watched if you watch first time, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.